The internet is a place we go to play games with our friends. We learn a lot of different things and keep up with the trends. We sign into different places, we tap and click, but sometimes on the internet we forget to stop and think. The internet can be a dangerous place if we don't know all the rules, but watching Cybersafe can help me pick up all the tools. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to an episode of Cybersafe, the show that teaches you how to use the internet safely. In today's episode we will discuss antivirus software. In our episode about file sharing and file downloading, we spoke about viruses. There is a way we can avoid getting a virus on our computers, laptops or tablets, and that's by installing antivirus software. Why are viruses bad? Viruses, worms or Trojan horses can be used by criminals or mischievous people called crackers. They can use these viruses to steal information from your computer or damage it. There are different types of antivirus programs or software. Many antivirus programs can be downloaded for free, but usually they might be missing the full version which you have to pay for. Antivirus software uses different ways to protect the computer. They often search websites you have been to and scan all the data and files on your computer. They say it's not good to install more than one antivirus because the programs can interfere with each other. Antivirus software doesn't always detect all viruses on a computer. Sometimes antivirus software sees viruses and files that do not really have viruses. This is called a false positive. The antivirus software will sometimes remove files from the computer that should not be removed, and this sometimes causes programs not to work properly. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Cybersafe. Remember, stay safe online. Happy clicking everyone. We've nearly come to the end today, but not before we visit our internet safety rhyme. I keep my information safe, I don't let people know my name, address or number or which school I go. I never talk to strangers if they're not a real life friend. No matter who they say they are, it could be just pretend. If I take a photo of a friend, I'm always well aware to ask if it's okay with them before I click and share. I'm always kind to others in the playground and on screen. I never write or tell them things that are hurtful, bad or mean. I always ask an adult before I go online. If we look at things together, I know I will be fine. If I ever see something that makes me scared or sad, I tell an adult I can trust and it won't be so bad.